spacious living and dining area. And you can see the kitchen is very spacious as you have plenty of a master bedroom that is very spacious to easily. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Purva Panorama by Puravankara located in Thane West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 12.75 acres that will have 5 towers with G plus 54 stories, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. As you can see, you will also get commercial spaces within the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with infinity swimming pool, clubhouse, 3 acres of podium space, multi-purpose court, banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities within the vicinity. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to Hiranandani Park, Patlipada, bang on Ghodbunder Road, Thane West, from where railway station is only 6.7 kilometers, metro is only 400 meters, that is 5 minutes walk from the project. Thane Borivali Tunnel is only 5 minutes drive, Eastern Express Highway is 4 kilometers and all famous school, colleges, hospital is within 1 kilometer from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Purva Panorama. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 720 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. As you can see, you can easily place a two-way sofa set in your living area along with the center table and the side table. You can also customize your TV unit and you will also get full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, your tea chairs, sofas to enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, this will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. As we move forward, this will be your kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms. And you can see the kitchen is very spacious as you have plenty of walkable space even after customizing your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You can place a refrigerator in this corner and you will also get a utility balcony in this kitchen where you can place your washing machine. Opposite to the kitchen, we have a common washroom that is very spacious and it comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Diagonally opposite to the common washroom and beside the kitchen, we have a common bedroom that is very spacious to place your king-size bed, your side tables, and you have plenty of walkable space. You can customize your TV unit. You can also make that corner as a seating corner. And you will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a standing balcony look and a beautiful view of your neighborhood. This will be your wardrobe section that you can customize as per your choice, which is tall enough if you want to build lofts. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then, if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. Right beside the common bedroom, we have a master bedroom that is very spacious to easily place your king size bed along with the side tables. You can customize your TV unit. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom. And as you can see, you have a corner space where you can make your study corner or your makeup corner. This will be your wardrobe area that you can customize by your choice, and you can also build lofts. Over here, we have the attached washroom that is also very spacious and comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK tour of Purva Panorama. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.